Why our aluminum forging is so affordable? Reason 1. Our forging factory is located in Dongguan, the world's factory, with a highly comprehensive supporting industrial chain in the surrounding area. Reason 2. Every product we manufacture follows a fully mechanized and streamlined process, ensuring high efficiency and rapid mass production. Just take a look at our skilled workers. We are supplied to CATL, a recognition that is no small feat. It's like winning an Olympic gold medal in supply standard. If you want to find us fortune supply, come and contact me.